Let's start. Here this is main activity, correct? You can see this is a class actually. So in general we know how to create a class. We write what? We write class keyword, then we give the class name. Let's say we have a class name user. Like that we create class, correct? So similarly, similar to this user, here we have this class. This is the name of the class is main activity, and this main activity, see, it is extending, this is extending AppCompatActivity. That means it is inheriting, okay, inheritance, you already know. So this is the parent class, this will be the child class. This parent class, see, AppCompatActivity, this is, they are already in Android, okay, it is not created by ourselves, it is already there by Android. If you click there, control click, see, if you press control then click, it will go to this page, and see, it is reader mode only. So that means this is generated by developers, Android, Android Studio developer. That means it is developed by Google only, okay. So no need to touch that page, just see here, this is our activity and it is extending this activity, and whenever we extend this AppCompatActivity class, then this class will become one screen of our app. So what I have said, so if you extend this class, then our app will become one screen. So here in this app we have see only one activity which is extending this one. That means we have only one activity, okay. And in this activity we have, see, different code, and here you, in this line you can see setContentView r.layout.activity main. See here, if you control click, then you will be able to go to this page. See, this is also auto generated, and here this file is the layout file. That means in the page, in the screen, whatever we want to show to user, we have to write here, okay. And this is XML code. So here we will learn XML also, okay, no need to worry about XML. So we will discuss XML, how to start with XML, how to do text view, how to do it edit text, how to show image, how to show button. See, this is text view. Text view means if you want to show some text, that time we use text view, okay. See, it is hello world is there, correct. So see, Android text hello world. So if you change it, let's say Rajesh, so here see, Rajesh will be shown, okay. And here you can increase the font also, font size. The font is very small, sorry, it is not font size. Font size we use in HTML, so it is text size, okay. This is text size. Text size, let's say it is 19 sp, okay. This is unit, actually sp is unit, so it is 19. Here you will not get any pixel, okay, like in website we use pixel, then VH, different things, correct. Here you have to use sp for text size. It can be like 20 30 sp, like that. And see, so for each activity, this is our activity, correct. For each activity we have one layout file, okay. This is in XML, main activity underscore XML, okay. See the name activity, then main. Here it is main activity, correct. So the XML file will be like activity main, activity word will come first, then main. And let's say we want to create one more activity, then what we have to do, just click here and right click, then go to this new, okay, new. Then see, this activity is there. So from the activity you can simply select empty views activity, okay, or you can select galleries also. I will not select gallery, empty views activity. If you select, then you can give a name, let's say second activity. See, I have given the activity name, that means second screen name, second activity, and layout name will be auto generate like this. And launcher means we will not select this one, because see, launcher means what, whenever you open one app, some screen will be open, correct. So that is called launcher activity. But in our case, main activity is our already launcher, so we will not select this as launcher, okay. And language also you can select, okay. Per screen you can use different languages. One screen you can make in Java, one screen you can make in Kotlin. Then just click on this finish, so it will sync for some time, then it will generate this. See, this syncing is going on. Then this is the second activity, and also see, this activity is also extending this AppCompatActivity. That means this is also a screen, okay. And here this also set content view method. See, we have activity second layout. So this is the layout actually. Okay, and if you want to go to this file, where this file is there, just here, see this option is there, click on here, it will open directly here. See, I will again show you from here. See, inside this, first you have to select Android, then app, then open this one here. See, these are Java, Kotlin classes, and if you open resource, then layout, see, these are the our XML files. Okay, here nothing is there. So let's say we want to create one text view, then what we have to write in this activity page. If you want to make one text view, that means one text you want to show, then click on this one, like you have to write this arrow, then enter text view, then just give it wrap content, or you can give match parent also. I will show you what is the meaning of this, but for now just I am trying to explain little bit only. Let's say hello. So see, it is showing hello at top. If you are not able to see, I will zoom it out. See, hello is showing, correct? Okay, so similar to this one, we can have some edit text also. Let's say we want some edit text. Instead of this text view, we need some edit text. Then we can also write edit text here. See, we delete it first, give the arrow, then edit text, okay. Let's say it is match parent wrap content. What is edit text? Edit text means a field where we can enter something. See, here this is a field actually. Okay, if you run this app, then you will be able to see one the edit field. That means you can write your name, you can write something. Okay, this is edit text, this is called edit text. And here layout with match parent, this means it will cover the whole screen in width. See the width, so it is covering from here to here, full width. Okay, that's what is match parent. And the height is wrap content. Wrap content means it will wrap the content only. See, it is small thing now, so it will wrap the content. If you give some match parent, if you make it match parent, then it will be full screen. See, it is going to be full screen text view, full screen edit text. Okay, but we will keep it wrap content only. And you can give like height, like see 20, then dp. 20 dp means it is a density independent pixel actually, we will explain later, but you can give like 20 dp, 30 dp. So height will increase. If we increase the height, if we increase the number, the height will increase. See, it is going to be increased. So this is about a text view. Okay, edit text and text view. Then we can use some button, we can make some button, button. See, button. Okay, button. Then let's say button is match parent and wrap content, then close it. See, this is creating one button, and the button name you can give, so it will be text. Let's say click me, I have given. Okay, so this is button name. Okay, so this is button. And one more thing before going to any other thing, here see at the top part we have some code, correct? So this is the actually root layout. Okay, root layout means inside this, see, this is creating one container. Okay, this is like a container for our screen. So if we want to do it check in main activity, so it is also there. See, Android X constraint layout something is there. It is a type of layout actually. So there are several different layouts like constraint layout, or there are, see, linear layout also there. Linear layout, see, it is coming like this, linear layout, or you can take relative layout. So these are actually root layout, like it will be the frame of our design. Okay, root. So the behavior will be different for different layout. Let's say if you are taking relative layout, or let's say you are taking linear layout. Okay, so for linear layout, if you write one text view, see, text view I have given match parent, let's say wrap content. Okay, now I will close it, then I will give the name text, let's say my text view. Okay, then you can increase the size, text size properties there, let's say 20 sp. For text view we need sp. Okay, and for other things we use dp. So this is text view, correct? Next, if you want to create one another thing, let's say we want one button, okay, button, then match parent, then wrap content, and also we will give one button name here. Let's say the text size is 16 sp. If you give text size, then you need to use sp, okay, and text is click me. See, now the button is not visible here. See, text view is visible, correct, but button is not visible because we are using linear layout, and by default linear layout keeps item in horizontal way. That means this is the text view and we have given match parent, correct. That means it is covering the whole screen, so our button is right to this screen actually, so that's why it is not visible. So for that, what we have to do, in the root layout we have to write one thing that is called orientation. By default it is horizontal actually, okay, horizontal. That means items are aligned horizontally, but we need vertical, then it will come below. See, text view is above, then click me is button is below the text view. If we write something like say edit text, match, you can give match parent, okay, then for here it is wrap content, okay. So see, it is coming down, first text view, then button, then edit text, like that, okay. This is happening because we are taking orientation vertical, okay. So we'll discuss about linear layout more detail, we'll design some layout, okay, and you also have to design some layout by yourself. For now I am just showing you the things. Then button, then we have image view, then we have other different things are there actually. And see, here what we have done, we are just designing the UI, okay. We have not done any coding in Kotlin till now, just we are checking the design. And see what we have done, we have created two different screens, correct, two different screens we have created, and these two screens we have to enter in manifest also. See here it is already done. This is main activity. See, it is start from this tag and it finishes with this closing tag, okay. This is for main activity and this is for second activity, and it will be auto edited here, okay. You no need to write by yourself. When we create our activity, it will be written here only directly, okay, by Android Studio itself. And see here some intent filter, some different code is there. In this second activity only this small code, but for main activity the code is big, correct. This is because here some different code is there, and it specified a launcher. See, Android intent category launcher. That means our app will start from this activity when the user will click on that app icon, okay. So that's why it is this intent filter is there. We'll later also will discuss about these things, okay. So this is about activity and our XML file. Now we'll start with some basic design with linear layout, constant layout, relative layout, so that you will be able to know the things.